this popsicle stand.
Woo!
You've never seen those before? And you make the little car.
Oh! Yeah, no I have, that's why. Stink, wait.
I know, it smells.
That's fun. No, it's like onion rings. Do you like onion rings? Love them. Everyone says they stink, but I love them.
Well, they stink because they're like full of flavour.
I know. It's my birthday in 10 days.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
How exciting.
I know.
How old are you going to be?
13. Does that make you feel old?
That does make me feel very old, not gonna lie. Whoa.
God.
There you go. I knew I was going to get stuck there. It made a giant clunking noise when I parked there yesterday. I mean, this morning. But it feels like yesterday.
You're not really with it today, are you, Laura?
No, I'm not. It's riding, it's taken it out of me.
So was Josie like really good then?
Yeah, she was actually. They had one book, but that was it.
Why'd she book? Did you smack her or something?
No, she just went for it. I was like, oh alright.
It's like a big
Oh,
book.
don't. Ah, look where you're going, look, mate. Jesus Christ. Fucking hell.
Did I get your car?
Yeah.
Sugar.
Yeah. Took a big scrape off the car. I mean, not that I'm arsed, but it's not ideal. Yeah. I think you look good yourself.
Oh, I didn't know. Sorry. What is that?
It's not bad, to be fair.
No, sorry, my phone didn't connect and my bird was she's panicking, having a problem over something.
Get sorted before you move next time. Cheers. Jesus fucking Christ.
We've just been in a fatal accident. We could have died,
dear.
Laura.
We could have died.
I've just put my phone on charge.
That's
Can you
fine,
put
don't
yours on charge?
No, it's fine, don't worry.
Sure.
Yeah.
Has he scratched your car?
Fucking hell, yeah. Sorry.
It's fine. I bet you were dying to flip them, but then you thought it best not.
If it was any worse, I would have done if he'd have got me light or something. Because I'd have had to get that fixed. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But like, because I've got Dashcam as well. I've got all on Dashcam.
Oh my God, yeah, you have. We've just been in a fatal car crash. We could have died then.
We could have died.
That was
Good job the ambulance is there.
God, I know. Oh my God.
God, I've gone a bit wobbly.
You've literally just gone, watch where you go, and then you literally had to zoom back, and you literally just
because he was
clipped
like,
the car.
oh, I'm sorry about that, my phone wouldn't connect. I was like, get sorted before you move next time. And he was like, oh, is my mother murdering me? And I was like, still don't reverse while you're on the phone. And then watch go. And yeah, I literally had to reverse. If I hadn't have moved,
We actually would have died.